In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language in ElevenLabs. To get started, open your ElevenLabs dashboard and head to the text-to-speech tool from the left-hand side of the screen. This is where you will create and preview spoken audio from your text. If you are new to the platform, just take a moment to get familiar with the layout because most of the options you need will be right here on this page. Once you are in the text-to-speech section, paste or type your script into the text box. Make sure your script is already written in the language you want the voice to speak. For example, if you want the final audio in Spanish, French, German, or another language, your text should already be entered in that language. This step is important because the voice will read exactly what you provide. Next, move over to the Settings panel on the right side. Look for the Model drop-down menu here. You'll want to select 11 Multilingual V2. This model supports the widest variety of languages, so it's usually the best option when you are working with anything other than a single language setup. Choosing the correct model first helps improve pronunciation and makes the generated speech sound much more natural. After selecting the model, go back and choose your voice. Once you are in the voice selection area, click the plus language option and select your desired language from the drop-down list. This tells ElevenLabs which language you want the chosen voice to use. After that, select the voice you want to hear. As you do this, keep in mind that some single language voices may sound heavily accented when speaking a foreign language. If the result doesn't sound as natural as you'd like, that usually means the voice is not ideal for that language, even if the multilingual model is enabled. In that case, it's a good idea to try another available voice until you find one that matches the tone and pronunciation you want. Once everything is set, click Generate Speech to hear your audio. This will let you preview how your text sounds in the selected language and voice. If needed, you can go back, adjust the language or voice and generate it again until you are happy with the result. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.